Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 gaming monitor. So friend, Samsung will unveil the Odyssey OLED G8, another premium addition to Odyssey lineup at IFA 2022 in Berlin and other countries. And friend, it is company's first OLED gaming monitor and will be available in ultra thin 34-inch form factor, delivering brilliant brightness on an OLED panel. Partner with quantum dot technology and pack full of premium gaming feature including an incredibly low 0.1 millisecond response time and 175 Hz refresh rate. And friend, it is built to an ultra slim thickness of 3.9 mm and its thinnest part thus limit it product category and finish with sleek and metal frame. And friend, the monitor requires no backlighting while delivering true RGB and true black for maximum color accuracy and brightness, all without a color filter. And friend, the lighting is controlled in pixels which can be expressed in black with near infinite contrast ratio. And friend, the ultra wide Full HD resolution gaming monitor has 21:9 aspect ratio with 100% color volume and DCI 99.3% color gamut for incredible visuals regardless of the game behind played. And friend, it will be available globally from ending of 2022. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.